This is an Oraimo Tempo watch from like 3 years back or thereabout. This is the new one. This is another one as well. This one is currently disconnected from the device. This one is connected to my phone at the moment. And like I said, this is like an older model. But one of the things you realize with all of these watches is that these watches are almost the same, in the sense that if you look at the battery life of this one, it probably lasts longer than this one from years back, right? But this still works fine. You can still use it to, track your workout. You can use it to go on a walk and track that. Your cycling, your swimming as well. Um, there's just so many similarities. Even the watch faces, you can go on the Oraimo app, change the watch face to pretty much any of the watch faces you want, and the app is the same for everyone. So I'm just making this video to let you guys know that if you want to buy any Oraimo watch right now, I would say go for it, right? Don't overthink it. Oraimo watches are, in a huge sense, to a huge extent, very similar. In fact, the charger for this one charges this one, the magnetic charger. So Oraimo watches are very, very similar. The upgrades that, that later happen, over time, is you have a new watch that has a bigger face, or it has a longer lasting battery life, right? When you connect it to the Oraimo Smartwatch app, you can change the face to an older face or a new face. Your old watch will still do the same thing. So again, if you want to buy an Oraimo watch right now, don't overthink it, right? You can pretty much decide what watch you want to buy it, and it will be fine, right? So that's what I wanted to let you guys know. I will be giving away this one to one lucky subscriber when I do a proper review of it. So don't forget to, follow this channel, turn on notifications, and let me know if you have questions. Really, that's what I wanted to share with you guys, and I will be seeing you around. All right.